neighbors natin. What do you call them?
Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Hi guys!
Hi, guys.
Welcome to our vlog!
Actually, we're here at what do you call in
Ancient
this
City.
place? Oh, we're here at Ancient City in Thailand.
Yeah!
Yeah. As you can see,
Yup!
as you can
Uminglis
see,
English na!
there's so many temple.
Temple of
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's not temple run.
It's not temple.
Oh, you see
It's
that,
a
guys?
City.
Yeah.
It's a city.
Ganda, no? Ganda nga dito eh.
Grabe, sulit na
Walang
sulit
ganito
oh.
sa Pilipinas.
Grabe. Para ka talagang, yung nakikita mo lang sa ano, nakikita mo lang sa mga video.
Film.
Nakikita mo lang sa mga...
There they are, there they are.
Nakikita mo lang sa mga ano, sa mga movie. Ngayon napupuntahan mo na. Grabe. Sulit na sulit. You know? Best.
Best experience in my life.
May bus.
Penny. Penny.
Penny is not
Penny.
enough.
Penny. My goodness, Penny.
Holy shit!
Penny. You make me ano Penny ah. You make me nervous.
The X is already broken.
Yeah. Oh, go. Oh, yeah. Mas maganda pala dun. Mas safe dun
Mas
eh.
safe kaya doon siya.
Hindi safe yung ano namin eh.
Balagbag.
Penny, you're a kamote driver.
Sabay yung front ng camera.
Ha?
Sabay yung front ng camera.
Kahit saan yan.
360 naman to,
Dalawang
ano?
harap yan.
Okay.
Hop. Oh.
Sir, paano
You
ba
make
to?
it slowly. Ano?
Iangat.
Ito. Yan. Pwede. Dito.
Yan. Okay.
Ay ano, iangat mo. I gonna hold it.
Just hold me tighty.
I gonna hold your titi.
Paano?
Ay, ano? You make.
Okay. Here's the temple.
Parang alaga ito.
Hernan, what is that? What do you
That's an elephant with tusk.
with task?
Yeah.
What kind of task? Multitask?
Multitask. Like
Task.
Multitask.
Do you know what is eating?
Eating?
Yeah, that's a corn.
Gusto niya pumunta. The tights, if you will hold it so big. Ganyan pa lang eh. Nakatago pa. How much more is it?
Ganda ng pagkaano niya, no? Ano?
Ganda ng color niya.
Oo, ganda ng pagkakulay niya. Parang pininturahan.
Tapos may dot.
Parang pininturahan niya eh.
Kaya nga iniisip ko baka puto yan or what. Hindi nga totoo pala ito na kulay niya. Naka-vlog yan.
Yes. Oh, say hi. Kahit na hindi ka gumawa. Bakit nakatabingi? Pwede kasi yan.